Today, we're diving into something super exciting, a hands-on look at Samsung's One UI 7, just ahead of its official beta release. With December here, Samsung is gearing up to roll out the beta soon, and we've got all the juicy details, thanks to a new video shared by Ice Universe. Let's get into it. The video, shared by Ice Universe, promises a whole new journey for Samsung Galaxy users. It offers our clearest look yet at One UI 7's design, animations, and lock screen. And let me tell you, Samsung has crafted a masterpiece this time around. The animations are smooth, the lock screen is more functional, and the quick panel has been reimagined. Every detail, from the smallest widget to the media player, feels refined and polished. Let's talk about the standout features. First up, the quick panel. You can now access it directly from the lock screen, and it comes with a redesigned media player that looks stunning. But that's not all. There's also a live activity interface at the bottom of the lock screen. One of the coolest details is the pill-shaped icon at the bottom. Tap it, and it expands into a widget card with toggles and other components. Tap again, and it smoothly transitions back to the pill shape. These animations are not just smooth, they're next level. And how about blur control? This feature enhances visibility with a subtle, refined touch, giving the UI a modern aesthetic. Lock screen shortcuts now have circular overlays with a blur effect, making them more stylish and functional. The status bar gets a facelift too, with a new battery icon and polished UI components. The lock screen clock, it's dynamic, adapting its size and layout seamlessly to match the app or service you're using. It's these small changes that make One UI 7 feel like a whole new experience. Now let's get to the release details. Samsung Germany has confirmed that the One UI 7 beta program, based on Android 15, will officially launch on December 5, 2024. And as expected, it kicks off with the Galaxy S24 series. This includes the S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. The beta will first roll out in Germany, but don't worry, it's not staying there. Based on previous patterns, countries like Korea, the US, India, the UK, Poland, and China are likely to follow in the next phases. However, exact timelines may vary, so stay tuned for updates in your region. The beta program offers users the chance to be among the first to experience One UI 7 with Android 15. Expect big design changes, smoother animations, and a host of new features aimed at enhancing the user experience. Samsung hasn't revealed all the details yet, but from what we've seen so far, it's shaping up to be a major update. If you're in an eligible country, you might receive a notification soon inviting you to join the beta program. Keep an eye out on December 5, 2024, especially if you own one of the Galaxy S24 models. So, what do you think about One UI 7? Are you excited to test out these changes? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates on Samsung's latest features and devices. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12 GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16 GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8 GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.